In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Notion AI for project and team management. By following this tutorial, you will enhance your project organization and improve team collaboration through the capabilities of Notion AI. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Once there, you will need to log in to your account. If prompted, enter your email address and password, then click Login. After logging in, locate the project or team workspace you wish to work on. Ensure that Notion AI is enabled in your settings, as this feature will provide structured support for your project management tasks. Confirming this setup prepares you for the effective use of AI. Next, utilize Notion AI for planning and creating summaries. In your project page, you can interact with Notion AI by typing commands or questions into the designated input area. For instance, you may ask Notion AI to generate a task list for your project. Additionally, you can request summaries of recent meetings or updates on project status. After the AI generates these outputs, take a moment to review them for accuracy. You may need to edit the content to better fit your project needs, which enhances your overall efficiency. After you have your task lists and summaries, it is essential to maintain alignment within your team. Share the AI-generated updates directly with your team members through the Notion platform. Make sure your project pages are consistently updated with the latest information. Frequent use of AI for updates will help streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Be open to adjusting your workflows based on team feedback, which fosters better collaboration. Consider the size of your team and the complexity of your projects when using Notion AI. Large teams may benefit from more structured updates and task assignments. Additionally, keep in mind that effective project management requires regular engagement with the AI features to fully leverage their capabilities. Regular interaction will allow you to refine your project management process over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.